Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and for today's video, we will be answering a basic geometry question. So this is applicable to high school and up. So it's just a review, and for those who are preparing for scholarship tests or entrance exams, so this might help review your basic geometry and algebra subjects. So Happy New Year to everyone. This is our first video for 2025 and I hope you're doing great. So the area for right triangle is 40 centimeters squared and its perimeter is 40 centimeters. The length of its hypotenuse is blank. As you can see, there is a choice which is data insufficient. So let's see if the data is insufficient to solve the given problem. So the first thing that we have to do here is we have to draw the figure since we are given a right triangle. So the right triangle here has legs A and B and the hypotenuse is C. It is given that the area is 40 centimeters squared and the formula for the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. In a special case, like for a right triangle, that is 1/2 A times B. So we have 1/2 AB is equal to 40. And solving for AB, just multiply both sides by 2, so that is equal to 80, guys. So why did you solve for 80, Sir IJ? Let's see later. Because we will need this one in our succeeding equation or in the next equation. Also, it was given that the perimeter is 40 centimeters. What is the definition of perimeter, guys? So the definition of perimeter is that it is the sum of the total or it is the total of the length of the sides of a given figure. So for the case of a triangle, that is just A plus B plus C. So we have A plus B plus C is equal to 40 centimeters. And also recall that in a right triangle, we have this what we call as the very common Pythagorean theorem, that is A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared, that we will be using in our equation. So how do we now do the second equation, Sir IJ? A plus B plus C equals 40 and we are looking for the value of C. How do we eliminate A and B? And we already have the value of AB. Okay, this is how it goes. So this is how it goes. So we have to isolate A plus B on the left side of our equation. So we have A plus B equals, okay, I'll just replace my marker. Apologies, guys. So we have A plus B. Okay, A plus B is equal to 40 minus C. Okay, so we want to eliminate A and B. And we already have AB. So what we can do is we will square both sides of the equation. Okay? So what happens, Sir IJ? So apologies for the interruption. So we have A squared plus 2AB plus B squared is equal to the square of a binomial, that is 1,600 minus twice the product. Why minus? We just copy the sign here. 2 times 40 times C, that is 80C plus C squared. From our right triangle, A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. So we have C squared plus 2AB equals 1,600 minus 80C plus C squared. So as you can see, a C squared here can be cancelled because they are common in both sides of our equation. And AB, what we've obtained earlier, is equal to 80. R10. 2 times 80 is equal to 1,600 minus 80C. 80C is equal to 1,600. 2 times 80, that is 160. And that is equal to 1,440. Solving for C, just divide 1440 by 80. Therefore, the hypotenuse of the right triangle is equal to 18 centimeters. And the answer to this high school question is 18 centimeters. So if ever you have questions or clarifications, guys, I hope you don't hesitate to ask questions to our comment section. And thank you so much to those who keep on supporting our channel throughout the years. And I hope you all the best, everyone. Have a great night and bye-bye and God bless.